If you're looking for a quick and inexpensive, secure way to support your tomatoes, these are the determinate kind, cattle panels, the way to go. 16 foot by 50 inches. Just cut them in half, use some bolt cutters. 8 feet long each side. Got a couple of posts just screwed into my beds there. 19 inches apart is what I found is a good distance. Here to here, about 19 inches. You can go 20 inches or whatever you want, but it looks like that is going to be awesome support. And yeah, we're going to give it a go, and that's going to be, it's going to be just awesome support for these guys. I got 5 plants in there. It's the bed's 3 feet by 8 feet. Got some carrots along that side and a couple basil plants on the other side, but it's sturdy, it's strong, it's cheap. I put it up in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There you go. Bye.